Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a powerful natural pain reliever balm using cayenne pepper. This balm is great for soothing muscle aches, joint pain, and even arthritis. Let's get started! Ingredients: half a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder, 1/4 cup of beeswax, 10 drops of essential oil, optional such as peppermint or lavender for added soothing effects, a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl and saucepan, a clean jar or container for storing the balm, host. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need olive oil, cayenne pepper powder, beeswax, and essential oil if you'd like to add a nice scent and extra soothing properties. Step 1. Infuse the oil host. Start by infusing the oil with cayenne pepper. In a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl set over a saucepan of simmering water, combine half a cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder.
Place the mixture over low heat and let it warm gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the capsaicin, the active pain-relieving compound in cayenne pepper, to infuse into the oil.
Step 2. Strain the oil host. Once the oil is infused, strain it through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove the pepper particles. Be careful, as the oil will be hot. You should be left with a beautifully infused oil. Step 3. Melt the beeswax. Next, we'll melt the beeswax. In the same double boiler or heat-proof bowl, combine the infused oil and 1/4 cup of beeswax. Heat gently until the beeswax is completely melted, stirring occasionally. Step 4. Add essential oils. Once the beeswax is melted, remove the mixture from heat. If you're using essential oils, now's the time to add about 10 drops. Peppermint and lavender are great choices for their additional soothing properties. Step 5. Pour and cool. Pour the mixture into a clean jar or container while it's still warm and liquid. Let it cool and solidify completely, which should take a few hours at room temperature. Now that your balm is ready, let's talk about how to use it.
Apply a small amount. Scoop out a small amount of balm with your fingers. Massage into the skin. Gently massage it into the affected area where you're experiencing pain. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after use, as cayenne pepper can cause a burning sensation if it gets into your eyes or on sensitive skin. Use as needed. You can use this balm 2 to 3 times a day as needed for pain relief.
And there you have it, a powerful all-natural pain reliever balm made with cayenne pepper. It's simple to make and highly effective. Remember to always test a small area of skin first to ensure you don't have any sensitivity to the ingredients. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural remedy recipes and DIY tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and pain-free, everyone.